So we have the wall opened up here, and as you can see a gap entry point for the rats coming and going with some grease marks. We've got everything cleaned up, tidied up a little bit. We're gonna start putting up our reinforcements along with our one-way doors to get these guys out. All right. And then you can see here, the rats are coming in and out from underneath the shower. So we got one little section done. As you can see, I've put in a piece of mesh, and I've weighed the mesh, I've pressure fitted the mesh in, and then I've weighed the mesh down with a crushed limestone to ensure that nothing is going to get up into that section there that's inaccessible, hopefully happening not to take out the tile in the bathroom. So we have our box made up. We're going to kick out these rats, place for them to exit, and the key to resistance, the one-way door. It opens, it shuts. Gonna make for a perfect eviction. We got the door installed, everything blocked off, reinforcing the weep tile, and blocking the access from the sewer.